goodness.
See, you got cigarette buds in there.
Oh yeah. Look at that.
Alright, so it's another early morning start. I'm on the way to Euromotive Performance and we are gonna get some things installed. Some cosmetic upgrades. Alright, I'm gonna continue driving, but we are not too far from there. We're about maybe another 10 minutes away. But we'll see you when we get to the shop.
What's up guys, Kyle here, back at Euromotive Performance. Today we got something special for you today. We got this beautiful BMW M3 that we're gonna be working on today. I got a special guest for you guys. Let's introduce you to the man.
Hey, I'm back at Euromotive Performance. I'm so excited. We're gonna get some mods done to the car. 2018 BMW M3 in Austin yellow.
Woo! What a beautiful color here. So what are we gonna do to the car today?
So if you go to the front of the car, let's check out the front. We're gonna go with the M Performance lip along with the carbon fiber splitters. The reason why I didn't want to go for the carbon fiber lip was because I heard durability wise, it's not the best. And living in South Florida, the roads are better than up in New York, where I'm originally from. It's just, I don't want to go through many lips before, but from what everybody's been saying, that Performance lip is gonna be fine, not gonna have any issues.
When I used to live in New Jersey, oh
Yeah.
my gosh, the roads were horrendous. Horrendous.
And everything.
Oh my gosh. And it's crazy, like living in South Florida, we're so lucky. Like the roads don't, they're smooth.
Yeah, you got
and like
smooth roads.
whenever you see like a pothole in South Florida, you could tell like, oh, a lightning must have struck that. But like in New Jersey, in Manhattan, it's just horrible. Sound is just,
It sounds so good. It sounds so good.
oh my gosh.
BMW switch path exhaust, non-resonated.
That's beautiful.
I had to go with the DAG exhaust. The factory exhaust sounds so bad. If you guys haven't heard it, check it out on YouTube. It does no justice, but this sounds bad. This is so much better. It gives a little more deeper tone. You're never gonna get rid of that rasp though. That's the only thing.
It sounds beast. It's
How's it sound though? What does
like,
it remind you of a little bit?
It sounds like a boss car. Like it's just, it's deep. It's not like a kid's car.
Obnoxiously loud either.
Yes.
It's just enough. I didn't do downpipes yet. Maybe later on.
Soon, right?
I don't know. We'll see. I don't know.
I get you on the downpipes.
That warranty though. I don't know.
Bro, doing my thing.
You love me, Marlon. You love me harass me.
Huh?
For the lip install, we're gonna have to take this off too, or no?
Yeah.
Or trim it, right?
Well, we could trim it.
I think that's extra.
I use a trim it.
Okay,
I use a trim it.
that's fine.
Yeah.
Because it's already cracking anyway from like
Yeah.
being so low already.
Yeah, I take it off and I trim it, and
Because another thing is to take it off, but then you're still losing these panels, which you
exactly.
kind of need.
Yeah, the last one I did was it was a blue one like yours. I did,
Yeah,
and I trimmed it, and
and it flushed well with the lip. Okay.
yeah, and then I had to clean it up. That garbage can. This is good.
See, you got cigarette buds in there.
Oh yeah. Look at that.
So you didn't find no money, like a couple coins in there.
At least a $100 bill would be nice.
Yeah, I doubt it. Nobody's tossing that at the window. So you got like broken glass here, these cigarette buds.
So what are you filming for?
Just a small YouTube channel that my friends and I created. Nothing crazy. We just basically film a lot of like our videos and stuff. He owns a couple cars. He owns the E30, a GTI, I think a couple other Nissans 240s. I thought of the idea, hey, why not document our journals of our cars? And maybe somebody will want to see it. So it's starting off some small, nothing crazy.
Well,
but
what's your YouTube channel?
it's called The Daily Driven.
The Daily Driven.
Yep.
Okay. And what's the setup you got there?
Just a regular Canon M50. Nothing crazy yet.
Just a regular camera.
Yep. Just
So-
a regular Canon M50 with a little stock mic on the side.
So, if you had to give advice to other people starting a YouTube channel,
Just anything works really. You know, your phone, a basic camera like this, a GoPro. Just go out there, film content. Somebody's gonna want to see it.
somebody's gonna want to see it, and you don't have to have a fancy camera and a fancy. It's what works best for you. You know, you just got to get it and do it.
Yeah.
Do it.
Just film it and be confident with it too. You know what I'm saying? What is that?
Dragonflies.
That was in there?
I'll give you 50 cents if you eat this, Marlon.
I don't think so.
Okay, 75 cents.
I give you 5 cents.
I'll match that.
Ooh, a lot of stuff in here.
No, I appreciate you taking it out, man. I've been trying to get that out for the longest. I was looking at ways to clean it.
Oh yeah.
Some people put like little vacuum cleaners, little suction cups here, or you know those claws you could get at AutoZone.
Yeah.
I seen that. I was like,
Yeah, that's gonna take forever. And we're gonna blow it out.
see, the best thing about coming here, you guys are very, very detail oriented. Like, I don't know any other shops that want to like take all that gunk out, but
Yeah, they usually leave all that stuff in there.
even the dealership does, right? When they do oil changes, they could have like
Yeah,
assist a
they don't
little
pay
bit.
attention to little details like this.
No.
I should know. I'm gonna use the ear gun.
I've been coming to you guys for a good 6-8 months.
Yeah.
Fairly after I got the car.
Yeah, you're right. You're right.
First thing we did was the KW Haas kit. We did the KW Haas kit. We lowered it a decent amount, unslammed. I'm not into that slam look. I want to be a little more functional.
Functional.
And then we went with the spacers. H&R 15mm spacers all around, front and rear. And right now it's setting pretty nice. I could have got a little more aggressive, like I said, but I don't want to risk the fender. I don't want to hit a hard bump somewhere on the highway and then nick the
What do they
fender
call it? Luxuries. What do they call it? Exotic fitment. Exotic fitment now.
Yeah, I think that's the only thing I didn't do with this car is install the springs. There we go. Whoop, all over my box, so let's do this.
wow, look at all that. See all that stuff? It's all like gunk. Got it.
My NBA career.
We're in there.
Oh, you're really going depth into that.
You're in the fins. Not much you can do.
What's really coming out? All rocks and leaves? Anything else besides bugs?
Yeah, a lot of glass.
Gravel, sand. I know it's something time consuming, but you're looking out though.
Yeah.
So about what? A couple months ago? 2 months ago? You installed the exhaust? About, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, about 2 months ago, Marlon installed the exhaust AWE switch path. The 102 millimeter exhaust tips. Did a great job.
Ask a million questions. That's his favorite.
No, that's not much.
Don't. He's lying. That's his favorite.
Marlon, how long have you been a mechanic? Or a master tech? How long have you been a master tech?
Over 30 years.
30 years?
Yeah.
All BMWs?
No, started off with Jaguar,
Okay.
moved to Volvo, Land Rover, then Bentley Rolls Royce.
Okay. What's your favorite to work on? You better say BMW.
Land Rover and
I'm
Volvo.
kidding. Land Rover and
That's what I
Volvo.
spend most of my years working on.
Okay.
Yeah.